Hi guys, this is Larrissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here. I'm excited to share with you day 8 of the 12 Days of Christmas collab that I'm doing with Cam of Piece of the Plans. I have day 8 here with me. Please don't forget to go check out Cam and see what I got her for the first 8 days of the 12 days of Christmas. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. These are cute. I love them. And they're, even though they're glittery, they're not the kind of surface that rubs off, is somehow coated. So that's cute. I love it, Cam. Thank you. I love these. These are like binding clips. This is great for when you want to make for sure something stays open. Yes, I love it. Sparkle Princess Co. And that's the website. Let's see what's in here. Oh, some more stuff in here. Ooh. Oh, this is, and you guys know how much I love pink. So, and the little shimmer. This is cute. It's a charm. That's cute. It's a charm. I love it. Oh, look at this. This is for the holidays. I'm gonna have to get this into one of my books. This would be great for my journaling. I could put it in that. Oh, this is a nice bow clip. Absolutely love it. So can't wait to decorate my planners. So these are from Sparkle Princess Co. And then this is from Park Lane. I love these. So cute. I could decorate my planners. Thank you, Cam. Very cute. Love it. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set up my weekly planner for my vertical layout utilizing the sticker kit that I showed you guys the other day from Oso Paper Co. as well as the Simply Gilded washi tape. Now, I was sort of struggling with how I wanted to achieve this particular look. I went back and forth whether I wanted to stagger the different scenic stickers from the sticker sheet. But as you can see here, I decided not to do that and decided to go with my other plan that I had thought of, where I would first put down the Simply Gilded washi tape, because I definitely wanted to get this holiday theme washi tape into my spreads this week, and I absolutely love it. And so I'm going to use that as a border for the bottom of the layout, and then I want to just sort of tell a little bit of a story of the many friends going to pick up the tree and the gifts, and then they're carrying the tree into their home or friend's home, maybe their roommates, and then they're decorating the tree and helping each other to do so. And so I thought that was cute. And then I went ahead and put the red holiday Stardust washi tape from Simply Gilded up at the top. I used the smaller one of the two, just so that it's not overbearing, but there is definitely a holiday theme layout. And then I wanted to also show that Santa was getting a kiss from Mrs. Claus the day before, as he prepares to head out on Christmas Eve to drop off the gifts. And then on Thursday he is ready, he got his gift in his hand, and now he's jumping down to where the tree is at, like sort of like jumping down into the chimney. He's smaller now. And he's about to leave that gift up under the tree. And then I just have I wanted to utilize some of the other Oso Paper Company dolls that I have because this will continue the story of what it looks like in my household for me once Christmas actually gets here. And so I put that Merry Christmas sticker up there at the top, and then it's a doll that's sort of sleeping, and I believe it says "Let me sleep." So once you become an adult, you may be excited for Christmas, but you ain't the first one up anymore. So I love that. And then I also put the Merry and Bright sticker down too, which I really like, and I thought that was cute, as well as a doll sitting there on the couch eating popcorn, watching movies. And I also put down the Christmas Eve sticker from the sticker sheet set too from the holidays. And then I switched over to my colorful boxes sticker book. I do have two of these, so I'm going to alternate between the two books depending on what kind of stickers I need and have not used yet. And I like the gold foiled sidebar box on the side there. And so then I was like, do I want to use gold boxes throughout the rest of the spread? And I went back and forth with the red and the green, and I decided not to do that. I didn't want it to be, it's going to be so decorative already. I just did not want to be overwhelmed with a lot of gold foil boxes. So what I decided to do is alternate green, gold, and red task list stickers throughout that middle row there. I did skip Friday putting down a task list because nothing is really going to get done on Friday, the day of Christmas. So, which was fine. I just adjusted the Merry and Bright stickers so that I could put down the green task list sticker for Saturday. And I went ahead and put red down for Sunday, and then made an adjustment to the Merry and Bright. I just angled it a little bit more. I thought that was cute. And the T sort of goes around that second dot for the checklist on Saturday as well. Now, I still want to use as much of this sticker kit as possible. I actually got two of these sticker kits, so I know that I'm going to have a spare if I later decide that I want to do another spread, like in my journal or in my December daily and so forth. But I have a whole second set, so I want to try to use as much of the sticker kit as possible from Oso Paper for the holidays. And so I decided to use the strip washi tape stickers, and I put the ho 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 sticker down for Thursday and Saturday, and it actually fit those three vertical boxes perfectly. And then I decided to use the green with the white polka dots for Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And I think I had to cut just a little bit off on that side. And I put the candy striped washi sticker down for Saturday and Sunday. I thought that was cute because that sort of reminds me back in the day where you had that nasty holiday candy left over after everybody has picked through everything that they want. Is that nasty flavor, and that reminds me of that. Not that it's necessarily nasty, because now they have like a lot of good flavors that look like that, but I put that down for Saturday and Sunday. And then I put down a nap time sticker as well. And I finished out the layout by spreading out some ornaments and gift boxes down there at the bottom on the right hand side of the page. And I added some of the mini friends who have on their winter gear. And then I added Zoe wrapped up in the lights. and for Sunday, and also for the list sticker on the sidebars. So I really like how this turned out. It's fun, it's festive, and it's really just a fun spread that I think will commemorate this holiday season. Well, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and hop over to Cam's channel. Check out her day 8 video for her 12 days of Christmas gift exchange. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.